Hello, this is David Jenkins from the Trihelix Group. People are not always ready for the designs we create. Now this seems obvious, but I would like to dig a little deeper and explore this today. I would like to explore the Mayer principle of design developed by Raymon Loewy. I will initially introduce you to Raymond, share his Mayer principle, and then discuss its relevance to today and our current designs. So let's get started. Raymond Loewy was a French-born and American industrial designer. Now he achieved fame and fortune for the magnitude of his design efforts across a variety of different industries. He was even recognised for this by Time magazine and featured on its cover. He created logos, and you can see some very famous ones there. He designed the Coke bottle shape. He outfitted the interior of Air Force One. He designed furniture, cars, the original Greyhound double-decker bus, and of course trains. Now Loewy's secret was it's essential to design for the future, but deliver the future gradually. He called this approach the Mayer principle. Now Mayer is an abbreviation for most advanced yet acceptable, which means Loewy sought to give his users, his customers, the people that would use his designs, the most advanced design possible, but not more advanced than what they were able to accept and embrace. Loewy believed the adult public's taste is not necessarily ready to accept the logical solution to their requirements, if the solution implies too vast a departure from what they have been conditioned to into accepting as the norm. Now there's a lot in that. If you think of your designs, your customers, what are they conditioned to accept as the norm from your design? Loewy teaches us to design our work with just the right balance between the well-known present on one hand and a new and innovative future on the other hand. He believes we should design for that future, look beyond the obvious, remove all of our constraints, open our minds to the different possibilities to create better and more innovative designs. We know people design, they really desire this innovation and these new things. But at the same time, he believes we should strive to deliver these changes into the future gradually, not all at once. Just reconfirming Raymond's principle. Our goal, your goal with your designs is really to deliver the most advanced design possible, but not more advanced than what your stakeholders, your customers are able to accept and embrace. Now, I believe the Mayer principle is as relevant today as it was when Raymond created it. It can be applied to all our design work, regardless of industry or application. We've seen examples like the Segway, which is a two-wheeled machine that is a brilliant idea that people were not ready to accept. Instead, today we see the traditional scooter all over the place. Some of the more innovative companies have design concepts 15 years out. And even though they have the technology and the ability to support this design today, they are very conscious that people are not ready to take on these designs yet. So whether you're designing an organisational structure, a piece of equipment, a factory, a business process, or even creating a conceptual plan, it's important to design for the future, think out there, create, but make sure it's not too radical that people will not engage. Today our goal was to explore the Mayer principle. We introduced Raymond, his principle, and then we confirmed its relevance to designs today just as they were in his time. I want to leave with this final thought. As Raymond says, your designs need to be mildly advanced to get people excited and inspired and interested in what the project's about. But important, remember, they have to be acceptable so they're not scared or intimidated by your design. Thank you so much for your participation and listening, and I'll see you soon.